How to fix Do Not Disturb not working on Android. First, open the Settings app and tap Notifications and Quick Setting. Then select Status Bar. Next, make sure Do Not Disturb is turned on. If it's already enabled but notifications are still coming through, tap Apps and review Do Not Disturb notifications are allowed or not. If not, then enable it. After that, restart your phone to refresh the system settings. If the issue continues, check for a software update. Open Settings, tap System and Update, then Software Update or System Update, and install any available updates. Finally, if you recently installed an app that controls notifications or sound, try disabling or uninstalling it, as it may be interfering with Do Not Disturb. That's it. Those are the best ways to fix Do Not Disturb not working on Android. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Android tips, troubleshooting guides, and easy tech tutorials.